Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I'm Melanie and I predominantly do food hauls. Today I've been to B&M and I've got a few items and I thought I'd show you what I got. So the first thing I got was this watermelon and strawberry cooler. I absolutely love this. I also got an orange Lucozade as well. Now I've been after the pink stuff for the longest time and I've not seen it in any of the shops that I go in. I think just before Christmas I managed to get the cream cleaner and the multi-surface cleaner by the pink stuff, and I've not seen either of them since. So when I spotted this, I actually walked past it and then I was like, did I just see what I thought I'd seen? Walked back and I saw it, so I've picked up two because I'm probably never going to see it again. These chicken coca noodles are my favourite noodles ever. They do other flavours, but the other ones that I've tried are rubbish, and these are absolutely gorgeous, and it's £1. I then picked up these Blue Dragon Oriental Chicken Flavour Noodle Wok. These were £1.9. I've never had this before. There was a second flavour, but I didn't like the sound of it, so I'm going to give them a try. Then I got these dipsters with salted caramel dip. I got one of these last week. I don't know if I showed it or not, but it was absolutely gorgeous, so I've got another one. I've got this washing up brush, which was only £1. I needed a new one. They had a different shaped one, but this is the one that I wanted. I got some paracetamol. I got a Franklin Cloudy Apple and Yorkshire Rhubarb with cinnamon. I've had the big bottles of this, I've never seen it in cans, so I got a can. And I also got a Monster Energy drink, which is still in my car. And that's everything that I picked up from B&M today. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell notification to get an alert every time I upload a similar video. I'll be back in a few days with my next video. Thank you for watching.